This here is a casement window. As you can see, it does come with a handle and the lock. Screen is on the inside. The way to operate this window, it is very simple. So you just have to lock it or unlock it from this point here. It doesn't have multiple points where you need to lock and unlock, but the mechanism is a multi-point lock. So you just open it this way. The handle is always located on the other side. Then as you rotate the handle, the window would crank open to the outside. It goes out at an angle of 90 degrees, which gives you a lot of airflow that can come in through the window when it's open. To lock back the handle in, you just have to fold it that way. Screen is on the inside. To remove the screen is very simple. You just have to give it a push on the bottom, and then it easily comes off because it is spring-loaded on the bottom of it. The frame of the screen is a metal frame, so it's a heavy-duty screen. You wouldn't worry about it denting or losing its own flexibility over the time. The mesh, it is a fiberglass mesh. We also offer other options, depends on your needs. When the window is open, you can notice that it does give you enough space on the side. So if you're looking to clean your glass on an upper level, it's easier for you to reach the glass from the inside. And then it gives you enough width in case of any emergency exits. To close back the window is very easy. So you just have to fold out your handle and then you rotate it. As you rotate the handle, the window locks itself. And you just have to bring it all the way to the frame. That way you can lock. Another thing is you can always stop at any point that you wanted to stop at. So for example, if you only needed to crank open only about this much, then you can actually open it and you fold the handle, and the sash is always going to stay still at that point and it doesn't actually move. And then locking it back in is by as simple as just rotating it, and then it locks back in, and that's how it locks. And then at this point now, all the engaging points of the mechanism have been engaged with the sash. To put back the screen is very easy. You just make sure it's on the tracks. You give it a quick push, and then it's all in. And then there will be no gaps on the sides and no gaps on the top or the bottom. So it's a very neat screen, and it's always gonna be put in the same way and removed the same way. Your casement window is equipped on the inside with glass stoppers, so they are always on the interior. For security purposes, we don't have them put on the outside. So if the glass needs to be removed, you don't have to go outside, and no one can actually break in through the glass by removing it from the exterior. On the outside of your casement window, the first thing that you want to notice, it would be the corners. So they're all welded at the same time. So we weld all the corners together. And as mentioned before, on the inside, the glass stoppers are on the interior, they're not on the exterior. So this is a welded corner as well. So the glass has to be removed from the inside, which provides you with that security. On the outside of your casement window, the first thing that you want to see would be your weather stripping, which is the compression seal. So you have two of those. One is more on the inside and the other one is on the outside. This will make sure that the window is airtight when it's locked, so it does engage properly with the sash, and both of them are located on top of each other. And the next thing of any casement window, which is the most important thing, is actually the locking mechanism, because that's what is pulling your window to the frame. This model, it is equipped with the multi-point lock mechanism. As you can see here, it does have a mechanism that is on the corner top. So we use a corner lock on the top here. You got the sides that would have a lock on them as well, and you got the bottom. These locking points, they do engage with the sash at this point up here. You got one here on the side, one in the middle, one here on the bottom, and then you got the one underneath it. So the corner lock and the bottom lock, it is something unique to our models, and it does provide very airtight window where it's locking it from top, sides, and bottom. And the last thing but not least would be your mechanism that it carries the sash. So we use dual arm mechanism. So you got the top part right there, heavy duty metal that will be able to maintain balance. And then on the bottom of it, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4 arms that are carrying your sash. And you can see here how much metal has been put into these mechanisms to give you that smooth rotation at the same time. It maintain very good balance for the sash. So the thickness of the sash here, as you can see, it is thick enough to be able to accommodate your glass. At the same time, it maintains very good efficiency when it comes to thermal breakage. So looking closely here, you'll be able to see that it has a lot of space between the ending point on the outside all the way to the inside.